You will be amazed by this 2020 Toyota Camry. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This captivating Camry is the ideal family sedan. Known for its safety and reliability, it goes above and beyond by offering a spacious, luxurious, connected cabin environment, seductive style, premium craftsmanship, customizable driving modes, and powerful performance to give you a truly inspired driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.